How to create multiple Chrome profiles. To get started, look at the top right corner of Chrome where you'll see your profile picture or an initial. Click on it. Then scroll down and select Add Chrome Profile. A new screen will appear where you see two options: Sign in, Continue without an account. Click the Continue without an account. This profile could be for personal use, for example. I'll name this one Personal, and you can also choose an icon if you like. Once that's done, click Add. Chrome will now open a completely new window. This isn't just another window, it's a separate profile. You can tell the difference by looking at the profile icon at the top. This new window shows its own icon, while the other window has my profile picture. This way, each profile stays completely separate, making it easy to manage different types of browsing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.